Hey guys, what's up? It's me Tim here with 8-Bit Chicken, and today we're making IPA Pickled Jalapenos. So let's do it. We're gonna need about 10 jalapenos for this. All these jalapenos came from our garden this year. We started getting abundant, so we figured it was time to pickle some and found this cool IPA recipe. So why not mix beer and gardening, my two passions. You can go ahead and slice these in discs or however you prefer to do it. This just seems to be the most efficient way for me. Two down, 10 to go. Now time to speed this process up. Go ahead and fill your jar with all of your jalapenos, giving it an occasional shake when you see a lot of airspace, just so they'll compact in there real nicely. And for the beer I'm using for this, it is Market Garden Chinook Strike brewed with Chinook hops. It's a wonderful beer from a wonderful local brewery to me, so make sure you check them out and taste them if they're in your area. They make great stuff. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up and hit the bell if you want more notifications. There's more pickling videos coming up, so if this is what you're into, make sure you hit that bell because there will be more in the near future. Now this recipe is a little bit different than most pickling recipes. This one calls for apple cider vinegar. So we're gonna go ahead and do 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. The cool thing about this apple cider vinegar is that my wife made it, and we've been working on making our own apple cider vinegar. So if that's something you wanna see or learn how to do, go ahead and comment that below because that's definitely something I would like to do in the horizon. Just gotta make sure there's enough interest in it. Go ahead and add that wonderful Chinook Strike IPA. It doesn't have to specifically be that one, but go ahead and add that. Or if you're not into the beer thing, don't add it at all. Don't worry about it. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, and you're going to see a volcanic reaction. Not really, but it's pretty cool. Let me know if there's any more pickling videos you would like to see in the comments below, and I will add them to the list. So go ahead and measure out 1 tablespoon of peppercorns and dump them right in that mixture. Next, we're going to add a little bit of salt, and that little bit would be 2 tablespoons. we're going to add this entire mixture into a saucepan or a pot just to heat it up and dissolve the sugar and salt. And here's my horrible job at pouring liquids into a pot and spill it all over the place. And spill it all over the place. So do a better job than I did at that because I am horrible at it. Also, this induction burner is the same one I use for brewing, and I'll go ahead and put that in the description below. Go ahead and heat that bad boy up, simmer, and stir occasionally. Go ahead and use our handy dandy mason jar funnel and dump this warm mixture of vinegar and such on top of our jalapenos. And if you see to the left, I went ahead and did a batch of cucumbers with this to make pickles. And that's pretty much it. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more pickling videos, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Thanks and cheers.